Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I am going to do Word Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. Basically this is the fourth chapter of Word section of this Pearson course. And in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this exam for you or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm or final, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can reach me out through WhatsApp or email showing at the bottom of the screen. So now let's start doing this exam. Total questions to solve in this exam are 9 and we are supposed to solve those 9 questions to get this exam done, and you can see the question at bottom left of the screen displays the document with all markup. So we will go to review tab and here we will go to tracking and here we will select all markup. Okay, accept the first change. Okay, in which the word all the are deleted, select this one, go to accept this change. Accept the first change in which the all word okay, accept deletion. Okay, accept all remaining changes in the document and stop tracking, go to accept and accept all the changes and stop tracking. Display the document with no markup, here we will select no markup, and that is question number 1. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 2. Position the insertion point at the end of the document and insert a page break. So we are supposed to go to the end of the document. This is the end of the document. Go to insert and insert a page break. Insert references, bibliography. Go to reference tab, bibliography, and here we will select references. Select all the text on the references page. We will select all the text. Okay. Then change the font to Time New Roman, go to Home tab and here we are supposed to change the font to Time New Roman. Time New Roman. Okay. And font size to 12 points, so we will make it to 12 points. Set the line spacing of all text on the references page including the reference heading to double. Here go to line spacing and make it to double. Change the font color of the references heading to black text one. We will select the references heading and change the font color to black text one from here. Okay. Then change the font of the references heading to black text one and center the heading. We will select this again and we will apply center alignment, and that is all about question number 2. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 3. Insert a footnote after the period following the text virtual team enrollment at the end of the first paragraph on page 1. So page 1 is here. Here we are supposed to insert a footnote after the period. Click after the period, go to references tab, go to insert footnote, and we are supposed to type this footnote: a virtual team does not meet in the same location and period. Okay. Modify the footnote, right click on that, set style, modify, and here include a footnote style of 12 point and Time New Roman from here. Time New Roman. Time New Roman. This one, and click OK. Apply. That is all about question number 3. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 4. Change the markup view to all markup again. So we will go to review tab, go to tracking and make it all markup. Locate the sentence refer to first in the first comment on page 1 and change the sentence occurrence of the word question in the sentence to matter. The word question is used twice in this sentence. Can you identify the alternate word or otherwise reword the sentence to remove the duplication? Let me look for this one. Locate the sentence. Today, global economy companies may let me find the question word. Question word. Question. Question. Let me find the question word. We are finding the question word here. Question. Question. Let me find the word which has question. Okay. Here. We found question here and also here. So it is saying locate the sentence referred to the in the first sentence. Change the second. Here, select this question and we are supposed to type matter here. Okay. Okay. Ready. Reply to first comment in the document. Here, reply this and I replaced the word period and click this arrow. View the second comment. This is the second comment. We need a citation here and a page number for the quote. Use the HO source and a page number of 131. So it is saying view the second comment on page 1 indicating that citation is added. Click after the ending quotation mark and before the period in the sentence in the last paragraph on page 1. This is the last paragraph on page 1. Okay. And quotation mark is ending here. Where is it is ending? Okay. Last in the sentence in the last paragraph on page 1. This is the last sentence on page 1. Okay. Where the quotation mark, okay. Here. Okay. After the quotation mark but before the period, go to reference tab and we are supposed to insert HO. This one. Okay. Added this citation and we are supposed to add 131, surpass the display of author, year and title and click OK. Point to the second comment on page 1. Click the more thread action and select resolve thread. So we are supposed to resolve this thread. Okay, this one. So that is question number 4. So now we are supposed to do next question. That is question number 5. Use the word to open the PDF document. Research submission. Go to file. Open. Browse. This one we will open this. Click OK. Okay, click before the OK. We are supposed to enter the date here. June 15, 2024. Click File tab, Save As, ensure that the file browse, research submission and we are supposed to save as PDF and click Save. That is question number 5. So now we are supposed to do next question. That is question number 6. From the word save the open document using the default file name. Open, browse. From the word save, okay, we are supposed to save. Save. And that should be default file name to the drive. Select this one. In the subfolder document. Click share. We are supposed to share this to the exploring series at the rate of exploring series at the rate of outlook 2022.com. Okay. Message should be please review the document. That should be the message. Okay. Send email. Okay, and close this one. That is all about question number 6. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 7. Select all document text, change the paragraph spacing before to 0 point and the spacing after to 0 point. So we are supposed to make the spacing before and after to 0 point for whole of the text in the document. Select all the text, go to paragraph launcher, dialog box launcher, here click this arrow, and in spacing we are supposed to make the spacing before and after to 0 point. So we will make both spacing to 0 point and click OK. In the paragraph that begin an article in a recent issue, here click before the ending period of the first sentence and insert a news source from a journal article. Okay, information here. Okay, click here, go to reference tab, click citation, add news source, and the news source should be a journal article. Make it to journal article. Okay, enter the author, that is H.O. Okay, insert a citation of the quotation mark and before the period in the sentence in the second paragraph on page 1. So this is the second paragraph on page 1, and we are supposed to insert a citation after the quotation mark and before the period in the sentence in the paragraph on page 1 that end is more task oriented. Here, click here. After the quotation mark, select HO source, this one. We are supposed to edit this citation, 130 page number, surpass author, year and title, and click OK. That is all about question number 7. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 8. With the shared document open in the Word for the web, change the word global in the first sentence to worldwide. We are supposed to select this global and we are supposed to type worldwide. Okay, click editing. Okay, in the Word web ribbon and click desktop view here. Okay, when the document open in desktop view, click file tab and click save a copy. Select document with the visual report and click save. That is all about question number 8. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 9, and that is the last question for this simulation exam. With the insertion point at the beginning of the document, select center alignment and change the font size of 16 point, change the font color. So we are supposed to center alignment, font size of 16 point, okay, and font color of black text font, this one. Press enter 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are supposed to type virtual teams here and press enter. Okay, select virtual teams here. On the cover page on home tab in the font group, change the case and then from the list uppercase here and uppercase, this one. So that is the last question for this simulation exam. So I have completed this whole simulation exam in this video, and you can see the result that I got 100 out of 100 in this simulation exam. If you want me to do this exam for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Oh shit, yaar.